Today, I'm going to show you just how simple and easy it is to create a new page for your members to pay their dues payments online. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a link for your membership management. Go ahead and click that. Here you'll see a dues page I've already created, but I'm going to do a new one with you. I'm going to click Add Dues Page, give it a name. If I want to add a photo, I can do so. If you have content that you want to add that's going to help your members make their payments, you can do so. You're going to make sure the status is set to active. That way, the page is accessible. Now we add our due levels. This could be based on their hourly rate, their membership type, their position. However your union is structured, we can accommodate. Let's say these are worth $30, $40, and $50. If you want to allow your members to opt in for monthly recurring payments so they don't have to make the payment themselves each month, you would just select this box. Then we click Create Fund. And that's it. Here's our example dues page. I'm going to click into it. On the top right, View Dues page right here. It's going to take us right to the page. This is the URL that you want to share with your members, whether that's on your website, in an email, or any other communication tool you have, or even mailing them out their dues notice. As you can see, the levels we've created are available right here. They can add their membership ID so that you can export your transactions and keep track of everything easily, and they just make their payment.